Welcome to the ultimate failure. These are the most legendary worker fails ever caught on camera. Warning, you may laugh, cringe, or question reality itself. Let's roll the tape and dive into disaster.
Column carving, part architecture, part ancient Jedi training, requires patience, precision, and a ridiculous arm workout. And here's the official, I'm done for today parking job. Just lay it down and walk away like nothing happened. Excavator doing the stuck and panicking shuffle. Dirt said no. Operator said, please. Nobody said, escape successful. Special delivery. Straight to the lawn. If it was fragile, it's now modern art. Handle with care, apparently not included. Time to fuel the world's tiniest motorcycle. Just a few drops should do. Mileage, infinity per teaspoon. The legendary Citroën 2CV, powered by teamwork and spite. Who needs horsepower when you've got raw push power and baguette energy? Gentle tile install? Nope. Shattered like fine china. Excavator rescues van by flipping it over. Efficiency. Office chair race ends with a spectacular faceplant. Excavator solves parking problems by clearing the lot. Plaster peels itself off. Guess the wall prefers minimalism? Excavator attempts drifting. The tracks must be thrilled. Container lift fail. A painful physics lesson? Digs with such enthusiasm, he buried himself. Literally. Tree gets revenge, keeps the chainsaw. Instant karma. Stuck truck creates its own toxic black cloud. Fishing with an excavator. One scoop, whole school. Excavator digs in weird yellow liquid. What are they mining? Carries a massive brick stack. Is he superhuman? Giant tree shredder clears landscaping, terrifyingly fast. Container handler nearly tips, a thrilling balancing act. Skilled artist sculpts amazing dragon scales. Real talent. Washing excavator tracks, the extremely dangerous way. Fresh concrete poured wrong, just smash it. Carries a huge stack of planks. Incredible strength. Skid steer flips over backwards. Gravity always wins. Mini excavator working upstairs? Boldly unsafe. Excavator stuck deep in snow. Winter is tough. The dump truck probably planned to cosplay as Zeus summoning lightning. Don't mess with electricity, unless you're dying to experience that hair standing on end sensation. A pickup truck testing out a mud bath therapy session in the middle of nowhere. The truck gets to enjoy the spa, while the owner gets to enjoy a full dose of helplessness. When the water hose decides who's really in charge and turns the user into an unwilling dancer. A spectacular performance of spinning in tears. A tire puts on a grand shedding skin act, proving that sometimes even lifeless objects feel the pressure and just want to disappear. Using a leaf blower to dry up a puddle. An extraordinary effort to prove that physics can sometimes be completely wrong. The conveyor belt, with its special spread materials evenly mowed, straight onto the ground. A true embodiment of the spirit. What falls off is for whoever picks it up. The art of cutting bricks with a steel bar. Budget-friendly and producing one-of-a-kind patterns you'll never see anywhere else. A group comedy act titled How to Carry Things Just to Drop Them. Smooth coordination in every wrong direction. The invention of a mobile chair with a sunshade for farmers in the 4.0 era. Work while chilling. Productivity? Debatable. Comfort level? Unmatched. A daring group move that defies all known laws of balance. The most important rule of teamwork? Don't act recklessly. Construction with a side of footprints for future generations. 2 birds with 1 stone. The homeowner will probably be moved to tears. A windshield performs a free fall act. Maybe it wanted to end it all because the color didn't match the car. The 2 workers just stood there like, when you try to dump garbage quickly, but end up dumping yourself with the wheelbarrow. A front flip that couldn't be more perfect. A contemporary art masterpiece in progress. The homeowner said, "Wonderful! I'll deduct it from your pay." A homemade helicopter built from scrap. The dream was to fly high, but reality kinda hugs the ground. The steamroller enters a no-brake downhill race. The driver's probably screaming for an undo button. The ending? A one-way trip into the unknown. The free cooling shower service on site, a touching way for teammates to show affection by spraying straight into your face. When honeycomb slippers rise to become pro-tiling tools, a symbol of the poor but resourceful spirit, or simply forgetting the actual tools. The excavator bucket suddenly resigns without notice. Maybe it's just too tired of overworking. Totally relatable. Titanic 2 Barge Edition. Looks like the crane operator skipped Gravity 101. Solid splash, though. Wouldn't recommend the sequel. Fast and Furious. Winter Drift Edition. Or maybe it's just extreme snowplow sharpening on the go. Morning commutes never looked so flammable. Behold, the IKEA Spontaneous Disassembly Model. Instructions: good luck and maybe a prayer. Some assembly, instantly unassembled. Who needs U-Haul when you've got the whole village? Peak community teamwork? Or possibly a group escape plan. Buy property taxes. Flat tire? Just log it out. Eco-friendly, spark-producing, and one pothole away from becoming a fire hazard. Innovation or desperation? Going for that abstract expressionist vibe with the thin set. Just fling it on and hope it sticks. Somewhere, maybe. Safety third, fashion first. Perfect ladder stance, power tools, and stylish indifference to OSHA. Nailed it. Hopefully not literally. Introducing the leaf blower from hell. Now with turbo dust storm mode and instant regret. Comes with complimentary lungful of drywall. 09 dump truck said, "I want to pop a wheelie." Dump truck said, "I want to pop a wheelie." Forgot it was supposed to dump the load, not itself. Nailed the launch, landing pending. 2 jackhammers at once? Because subtlety is for amateurs. If the ground's not trembling, are you even doing it right? At least it wasn't a paint bucket, this time. Butterfingers strikes again. Bridge demo from underneath? Bold move, Cotton. Hope the cab's made of tank glass and dreams. Paint shoes, but make it construction chic. Who needs drop cloths when you can just redesign your sneakers on site?